Are you still relying on grainy analog CCTV feeds that offer more questions than answers? In today's rapidly evolving security landscape, the clarity and intelligence of your surveillance system are paramount. Legacy analog systems, with their limited resolution and aging infrastructure, are no longer sufficient to protect your assets, people, and data effectively. The quality crisis in analog surveillance is real, and it's time to explore your upgrade path to a modern, high-definition IP infrastructure. We're talking about eliminating signal degradation by replacing those legacy coaxial lines with high-speed Cat6a cabling and advanced power over Ethernet, or PoE, switches. We're here to bridge the significant gap between fuzzy, antiquated analog feeds and the crystal clear, intelligent insights offered by modern 4K, AI-driven IP clarity. By streamlining this crucial migration, we ensure not just seamless integration, but also robust data security and superior remote monitoring capabilities, essential for modern facilities. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of upgrading your analog CCTV system to a cutting-edge IP infrastructure, ensuring your security is future-proofed and unparalleled. Our journey begins by confronting the stark visual contrast between fuzzy 420 TBL analog feeds and the breathtaking detail of modern 4K AI-driven IP clarity. Imagine trying to identify a suspect from a blurry, pixelated image versus a sharp, high-resolution frame where every detail is discernible. Modern 4K and Ultra HD cameras, and even emerging 8K models, are becoming mainstream, offering unparalleled detail recognition for faces and license plates, significantly improving evidence quality and enhancing digital zoom capabilities. This leap in resolution transforms security from passive recording into proactive, intelligence-driven insights. Beyond the visual, we need to address the physical limitations of aging copper lines and understand why signal degradation is critically compromising your facility's security. Those old coaxial cables were never designed to handle the massive bandwidth demands of today's high-resolution IP cameras. They introduce noise, signal loss, and severely limit data throughput, bottlenecking your entire security system. This physical constraint prevents you from harnessing the full potential of advanced analytics and high-definition footage. Fortunately, a hybrid migration strategy allows you to upgrade at your own pace without enduring total system downtime, making the transition manageable and cost-effective. The first major step in this transformation involves rewiring the very foundation of your network for high-speed data. This means utilizing the latest Cat6a cabling standards, which are essential to future-proof your bandwidth for the demanding requirements of 2026 camera models and beyond. Cat6a, or Category 6 Augmented, supports data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second at a frequency of up to 500 MHz, making it ideal for large-scale security systems. With multiple high-resolution cameras, it minimizes crosstalk and can support 10 gigabits per second up to 100 meters, far exceeding the capabilities of older cabling. While Cat6a cables are an investment, they are critical for environments with high bandwidth needs, long distances, or high interference. It's also crucial to use 100% oxygen-free copper cables, especially for PoE and extended runs, to ensure compliance with professional standards. Next, we implement Power over Ethernet Plus, or PoE, switches. These revolutionary devices eliminate the need for localized power supplies at every camera drop, simplifying installation, reducing cabling complexity, and centralizing power management. PoE switches combine both data and power delivery over a single Ethernet cable, making deployment rapid and flexible. They don't reduce network speed or waste excessive power when proper cabling standards are followed. And modern PoE systems easily handle 4K streams, with ample room for future upgrades. The latest IEEE 802.3 BT PoE standard is fully backward Compatible, ensuring flexibility. When selecting a PO switch, consider the number of ports, calculate the PO power budget with 20 to 30% overhead, and select the appropriate PO standard to match your cameras. Crucially, we assess existing coaxial runs to determine if high-speed Ethernet over coax, or EOC, adapters are a viable shortcut for difficult cable pulls. Ethernet over coax allows you to transmit network signals over existing coaxial cables, which can be a cost-effective and faster deployment solution, as it eliminates the need for expensive rewiring. EOC supports high bandwidth, delivering 4K video streams over longer distances, up to 700 meters, without requiring additional switches or repeaters. This can significantly save on the cost of new cables and reduce labor, equipment, and time expenditure. We then move to bridging the gap with hybrid infrastructure, ensuring a smooth transition. This involves integrating multi-format, hybrid DVRs that adeptly support both legacy BNC inputs from your existing analog cameras and modern network video streams simultaneously. This allows you to upgrade your cameras in phases, minimizing disruption. For any remaining analog cameras, we deploy 4-channel network encoders to digitize their feeds, bringing them into a unified management software alongside your new IP cameras. This creates a cohesive system where all video feeds, regardless of their original format, can be managed and monitored from a single platform. Finally, we configure the back-end storage server to efficiently handle the massive increase in data throughput from the new 4K primary feeds. With higher resolutions come larger file sizes, and your storage solution must be robust enough to accommodate this data influx without compromising recording quality or retention periods. Cloud technology and integration are transforming security operations, offering remote access, management, and real-time monitoring. Hybrid systems blending on-device edge storage with secure cloud backup are trending, ensuring continuous recording even during internet outages, and reducing latency for notifications. Securing the network and optimizing remote access are critical components of any modern surveillance upgrade. First, we set up dedicated virtual local area networks, or VLANs, specifically for surveillance traffic. This isolates your security data from the general business network, preventing unauthorized access and minimizing potential vulnerabilities. Zero Trust security and cyber-hardened designs are becoming standard, necessitating this level of segmentation. Next, we implement modern encryption protocols and complex handshake authentication to prevent unauthorized feed interception and data breaches. Cybersecurity measures such as multi-factor authentication, or MFA, and encryption are now mandatory to protect your sensitive surveillance data. Finally, we map the high-speed uplink to ensure lag-free remote monitoring via mobile apps and centralized command centers. Mobile-first security is the default for remote security management, offering instant access to live video feeds and system management from anywhere. This allows you to stay connected and responsive, no matter where you are. The final phase is testing performance and scaling for the future. We run comprehensive bandwidth stress tests to ensure the new PO switches can handle peak nighttime recording loads without any frame drops or loss of quality. This ensures your system performs optimally, even under the most demanding conditions. Then, we fine-tune the AI analytics and motion detection zones, which are now possible thanks to the increased pixel density and computational power of your new IP cameras. AI-powered analytics are now standard, enabling cameras to analyze footage and discern meaningful events, like human and vehicle detection, facial recognition, behavior alerts, and unattended item detection. These server-free functions run directly on the device, providing proactive, intelligence-driven insights, and significantly reducing false alarms. Lastly, we establish a roadmap for adding cloud-based redundant storage as the final step in your total digital transformation. Cloud backup provides an additional layer of data Security and accessibility, ensuring your critical footage is always safe and retrievable. This complete upgrade path from analog CCTV to an IP infrastructure not only enhances your security capabilities, but also future-proofs your investment, offering peace of mind in an increasingly complex world. With unified security ecosystems, IoT connected, smart security systems, and zero-trust security principles, your facility will be equipped with a cutting-edge surveillance solution designed for the challenges of today and tomorrow.